Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We're back with another one, Mapagania. Straight from a victory Wafetu. We just beat the Richards Bay 1-0 Wafetu. Culling Black Label. It was a semi-final in Danga. In Petty Crew Wafetu. Coast. Okren.
Yeah, very, very happy, sir. Straight to another final. Mapagania Chabulile.
Mapagania Chabulile, Mapagania. Mr. Blambo, how you feeling, sir?
On Ndanga, like it's Chablis to another final mfethu, like in 2 months or 3 months time, we are on another final. I follow them to then.
I follow to that. And I saw a state if it to last 10 cup games, if it we reached 8 finals, if it yes,
Yeah.
close to it.
And,
we won
and
7.
we won.
We won 6.
We won
We won
6.
6,
We are-
the 7.
We are gonna win the 7th.
Yeah.
Imagine
Yo.
7 out of 8.
I thought I like you, like
Yeah.
you thought I didn't say it, Mr. Mlambuti, if it we genuinely are like title
We are
Cup Kings, young Lord in danger.
We are Cup Kings.
I don't think there's anyone who can dispute that in fact.
Currently, there's no one. In fact, I mean, numbers don't lie. In fact,
Numbers don't lie.
Yeah.
Numbers don't lie.
I mean, if you're gonna argue, then put the numbers. So, okay, in the last 10 cups, how many finals did you go to? How
Yeah,
many finals did you
yeah.
win?
One to-
Who can say they have a better record?
No one. Because like
Like,
Sundowns,
no
winner
one.
each and every season, they win a once and us win a 2.
Yeah, Oliver Winnie League.
Win a
what?
2.
Yeah,
Yangithola thina sobona into abayenza in 7 years thina siyenza in 3 years.
yeah, easy.
Mfana. Pagani mfethu sijabulile mfethu. I don't know if sekuyi culture mfethu because it seems like you can bring any coach until like it.
Sure.
We almost guaranteed Mr. Mlambuti we're gonna reach a final, we're gonna take something young in beautiful culture that we have in Danga. We saw Naizolo Golden Arrows was playing against Marumo Kalans and they won. Marumo Kalans won through a penalty after the 2-2 draw. And straight after that, I think they did a draw,
Yeah.
to check which stadium we're playing at. And then obviously we go into Peter Mokaba and Mapagania will be there with the crew of it too. Please come out, Mapagania, post-match interviews, Buffet. You know the trail, Buffet. We'd love to hear your analysis in Danga. Moses, my Peter Mokaba and are you excited?
A lot Ndanga futhi ngiyayicava the time I was playing nami misidlula khona kusepulukwane so masiza thina mesiyidlula on the left.
Yeah.
There. So I'm familiar with that side and I think he cited again Ndanga so nqoqwa zabantu
Well, like every province in Danga.
every province.
Every province in Danga. And obviously, you know, sold out FC, it will be sold out, Young
And I heard someone saying this, Suguti, the very most tired fans in the country is Pirates fans. Those guys have been traveling. Have been traveling a
all
lot.
over the country.
Yeah.
And I remember what Beekeeper said as well the last time, if you came as a David, if it not that Plambilla was a Gauteng, because we well represented at David, every province, if it.
No, definitely.
Are you excited about the finals?
In fact, very happy. In fact, Rokwa Raga, in fact, got the post match. But I'm very happy that the final is going to Limpopo. I haven't been to Peter Mokaba.
Yeah.
Like Mr. Mlambolena gave it a fail from the outside. I've never been inside, so I'm looking forward to that one. Another cup in the pack.
Another cup is loading. It's going to be in the pack very, very soon.
It's a given.
It's a given. I think you will. Not like you guys. Nah, I haven't even passed.
Yeah.
So straight from Gauteng, straight inside Pedekan in Dang.
Yeah.
And then going to the Saturday's game in Dang. How did you see the game like in general?
Or the one, let me see, Lalani, Richards Bay.
Richards Bay, yeah.
I think in Dangayo, Richards Bay, we closing the ground. as much as we had good touches, especially first half thina yangithola
Yeah, yeah.
nesizama ukuthola ama-1-2s izidlala ibhola, but it was a difficult match in terms of us creating chances. We were playing so well, but we were not creating chances because I think it was initially the plan eRichards Bay. I thought ukuthi igame izovuleka but nabo basibonise irespect ebhayo ukuthi bapake ibhasi bazofuna ukusibamba on the count, but I think the team is playing so well ndanga, like thina mfethu we strong the way we are. As much as we have difficult games, we always manage to find chances ukuthi win the game.
Yeah,
That's how I
yeah,
saw
yeah.
the game.
And what I like about Pirates at the moment is like it's either we win or we lose. And I think we only have one draw so far. So it seems like every game, if it coach wins the show, like we're not playing for it draw. Like you
Yeah.
must always like go for the key. Like even though it's a scrappy 1-0 win.
Yeah.
I think that's what it was. That's what it was. And what works to our advantage as well is that sometimes we have quality players, so that they are able to produce like individual brilliances and smash and grab just like that.
Yeah.
Ghost, how do you? What's thoughts on the game?
No, and then I think it was an okay game. We were not too marvelous.
Yeah.
So some glimpses obviously from the usual good players. So you saw them being their usual.
Yeah.
But then I think Marumo also, Richards Bay also got a few chances. And that's something that maybe I wasn't happy with. When I saw them attempting a lot or a breaker, passes in behind. So but I think we managed to contain them in the end, and that was good. Props to our defense, Le Chaine, the back.
Yeah. What do you think of the new defense? Phela it was like everyone except for Mbogazi, so like when you look at Van Rooyen, Ndaba, CBC, I
Sure.
think they did well considering some of them they haven't been playing that
Yeah.
many minutes.
No, definitely. I think my second, it was good to see him back. Ndaba has been good and Sebam got chances, so I think le Saturday was very, very good. So Podlela, Podlela is Podlela.
Podlela is Podlela.
Mara wa bona Podlela ke hot money le mfethu. But we'll get to him though, but happy with the defense.
Happy with the defense. Mlambo Koji Pinda, he was even asked about the likes of when you was not playing there, Mabasa. He was asked about who else? Pre-match. Like some of the players that haven't been featuring much. And he said they'll get their chance. Thoughts on Coach AP for this game, down.
Ayipoza le ntanga.
Yeah.
Mina I was still yabona ntanga, that guy is always going to frustrate or surprise you. Ntanga, I didn't see Van Rooyen coming back. He's my favorite player, but I didn't see him coming back. Mlahlele Ngwenya.
Yeah.
Lahlela uNdaba back. Yangithola like it's the coach loya mfethu like coach. Let me just say that. And the coach oyenza izinto ngesikhathi akafuna ukuzenza ngayo. But what's nice about that ukuthi like i-strategy zakhe ziyasebenza ntanga.
Yeah.
You saw Mbule when we playing against Arrows was not playing so well at 10. But uyambuyisela uMbule at 10.
Yeah,
And I think yesterday he tried uyangithola uMbule ukubuya. I think ntanga nama-subs akhe the way abuyisela uRile ngakhona, I was expecting uTita akangena uKwayiba. Uyangithola izinto ezibha. But I think that coach is so good ntanga. For me ngizomgaya 10. Ntanga sikwenye final mfethu. That guy it's been like 3 months or 4 months ago Orlando Pirates. Mara it is second final. Ntanga, the numbers are insane of that guy.
Numbers are insane, and not much to argue with them. To coach, we bambile to like everything that he touches. It turns out to be like the best. To be good. So I think we can give him a 10. You can't really argue with that. And then moving on to our Sipo, to our goalkeeper, Sipo Chain, I didn't really have much to do now. I think he was well protected. Which chance did he?
I think kunale uGhost akhala ngayo le kaNox Muthizo. I think the great communication should be fine. second half 60 minutes of the game.
Yeah.
Isha ibhola Richards Bay. Chain make if we are ngwenya. If ushaya inqindi shaya inqindi uyibalekise Ridings. Ungayi ufaka izandla there then it's a penalty kuzoyenzakalani.
Oh yeah, le
understand.
ngathi iphume eboxini.
Yeah.
And ukuthi nje we don't have the greatest of views. I think ngifana ibambi outside the box.
Penalty mina from how I saw it ngendlela athi into engayi Knox Muthizwa njengoba khala mina I saw a penalty so mabhakane nizongixolela.
Yeah. Foul da.
Mina I saw it like that because ngifile ngathi Knox Muthizwa ufike fast la. Usipho mikathi uyayibamba lela ball. That's
Sure,
why ngithi at least make uyishaya inqindi.
Yeah. You were supposed to punch it.
But
Yeah.
I think that was the one
Only
thing
moment,
engikhale ngayo ngithola but throughout the game there was nothing much to be done. But marketing akala mekaba khona. It was nothing much. I'll just say it was a decent performance for him. Ngizomgaya 6.
Okay, 6. You agree with the 6 coast?
Yeah, ish. Yeah, see, Paul. I think ish, yeah, that moment was disappointing for me. Yeah, well, it can easily be, as you saying, even a penalty or a red card, on a different day. Yeah, well, so that I'm fit. If you're going out, make sure I'm fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Sure.
so that was very disappointing. And communication yakhe defense work, it wasn't top tier. Yeah, well, so ish, yeah, 6. Because maybe as consider, but ish, mina bengimbala da go 4-5.
Ngiyakuzwa I mean 6.
For that netting, I think I agree with the 6. I say it was a decent.
Yeah,
Nothing
that's like
cheap,
I'll
and
take a 6, but yeah.
And just to add Ndanga like kune element akayikhulisile gaming yakhe. The element of playing the ball.
Yeah.
First half yenzakele futhi le scenario. Lezi Richard Space izakuye zithi spreadsile wa trap waphasa umbatha. Then
Yeah,
umbatha
yeah.
sekathenile yangithola we have -2 we have space.
Yeah.
That's good for a keeper. And most keepers wala South Africa they do not do that. Williams kuphela akayenza.
Yeah.
Now adding that to his element like him yenza a great goalkeeper.
Yeah. And I think also Umbata, like he makes himself that option.
Yeah.
So it becomes easy for him
Yeah.
to pick him up. I think Sihle Ndudi na like to
Two
improve
different
instead,
players.
yeah.
Don't make them the same. I
Yeah.
think they are two different players.
No, there are two, but I think if there's an element where he can improve,
Yeah,
he can try and
true, I
bring that to his game.
I agree.
So 6 for Sipho Chain. I think I'm happy with that. In fact, moving on to Van Roy and Ndanga, we haven't been seeing him in a while. In fact,
Yeah.
My second.
I love that guy a lot.
Yeah.
As much as you don't see him in a wide when he comes, he delivers Ndanga.
Yeah.
Ngithola like I-play yakhe it's always similar. It's like Shandu. Ushandu yazi ukuthi uzoguy play so no Van Rooyen I think every time ake ngenile Ndanga i-defender yazi ukuthi adluli la.
Yeah.
That's the very primary thing akayenzayo and if you can check first half ngakhuluma ngayo umthole kangakho eboxini there was this one I think 11 minutes umbule lapha shaya khona.
Yeah.
Did you see that one? Mekangamgaya la Van
Eish,
Rooyen,
mfana.
because he was
Yeah.
free.
Oh,
You
yeah,
understand?
yeah,
He
yeah,
was free.
yeah.
I love to see him in those spaces and he's not kind of defender like akazo yangithola
Whip 'em
cross
across,
amabhola
yeah.
and if you can check that game was meyivalekile kakhulu.
Yeah.
Mekakhona ukusigaya ngithola invert ephakathi. I think he plays so well and I think him and Napolis they understand each other ngithola. I think they have a connection grand. I think he plays so well. It was so decent for umuntu ogcina kudala ukudlala.
Ne.
I'll give him a 7.
He had a decent game, and I think it's different to
Libito.
Ulibito, because Ulibito is like a touchline
Guy
right
with-
back,
That guy with
Yeah, this one because it's more of a ball player. I wish I inverted. I'm not sure if it's an instruction from the coach or it's the way he prefers to play. So I think I shy a little considering like in our team we have a lot of ball players. I think a 7 it's a fair rating for him. And then moving on to Undaba.
Ndaba omkhulu. Yazi I'm happy coach njengoba sekamdlalisa so you understand. I think Undaba Ndanga nepace akazithola kuye. I'll just say this. The element of ukuthi across ball mela khule kuye. But like akaqhubeka adlala ngendlela adlala ngayo because if you can check noNdaba usithola in goal spaces Ndanga always him and Moremi I think nabo they've developed kind of a relationship ukuthi understand umurem ukuthi undaba makedinga iline he must invert ukuthi undaba azodla iline if umurem mele adla iline undaba nje uyasisalela la emuva wena undaba mele amake I think umaka grand okay kunalapho kumele akhulise khona kancane but I think the boy has been giving us good like performances naye ngizomgaya 6 njengo-chain because into engikhala ngayo ndanga ukuthi akalungise kuma-cross because he finds himself in good spaces.
Mr. Mlambo is sharp today. I think he's giving fair ratings, in fact.
Yeah, but I think Ndava I would have leaned more towards a 7.
Yeah,
Yeah, because I think he gets involved a lot in the game. Yeah, well, and as you're saying that he finds himself in good spaces, and I think namaphaso wakhe manje walungisile mongambheka ayafika amabhola akasawashotisi yabo, and I think much esukhala ngama-cross makangalungisa la 10 out of 10 performance.
True, I agree.
So I think I was leaning more towards a 7.
Asingayithatha naye ngeke kube straight.
Sure.
Now I'm fit to and for me, if you have a player there, one so like
Sure.
I think it's just the fact or like Onachi like he's been integrated to the team, and so like, it's gonna take time. If it, I wanna once he get used to maybe to playing with Murray, and so
Sure.
that relationship, Lona, is very important. And so once they get that connection, but they were okay. If Kivako lining, this is the run that Murami is going to take. One so like this one so like it. And I think Lena, not having CMA in the lineup, Lena, I think he was gonna have joy with those cross balls on so those runs on so.
Sure.
I don't think we'll see much of that now that CBC is playing there. But I think
Bata can do that. So as much as
he was doing that. He was doing that. It's very good at that, Mbata. It's
a lot.
Quality player. I think I'll agree with the 6. Even a 7 I can also take. Moving on to Umbokazi.
God. Man of the match, he was not a man of the match. But he was not a man of the match.
Really cocky finally until
the power of social media. Just to give our Pagani context for maybe those who don't know, young so. So remember the red card Lala squad. This Lala at that time.
I think it's him.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah. And then from that, finally, I think 108, ne?
Yeah,
1,000. So Pagania were obviously said about that, and then through social media, obvious. And social media is not always that toxic. Like check this, if I want Pagania Sanganile for a good cause,
Sure.
Pagania thought it was unfair of him to get that fine after that red card. And then obviously through social media, hashtag vote for Mbokazi, and then he ended up very Amapagania voter for man of the match. Hence he got the 100,000 to pay for that fine. So like beautiful moment.
I also said there like 8,000 in the
yeah, beautiful performance.
I think like he is coming back, and because I think I love this element to TLP Magetiz and I'm a forward players. When I did this impress first half, says it is Tatsile, obviously poke and Jawaka undab. Those elements can the first Sasha Gaishai the food. Those elements I love. Uzamile na Yukshay Padin, young Toda wishes did not go through. But I think he played so well. I think he's coming back. I think Mengambo, young Toda. Yeah, and no CBS, I think they play so well. They played so well. They say they cover for each other. Because we were facing a forwards at Trupai. It's a problem, that guy. Kapatino Mang. But they manage to go to Baba Bambi and so on. I think the guy played so well. I'll give him 7 now. Yeah.
And I think also Magadala no Mantanga is like 2 inexperienced players, let's be honest. And so but obviously when he plays with CVC it's like obviously Utulala and he looks up to him as well. So I think that also it gives him confidence and so that someone who can he can completely like trust angithola knowing ukuthi that side is handled. I mean, I just have to do my, and obviously then the SBC will guide him to say if it's now it's time to push up angithola. If it experience is something you can't buy.
A lot. And if you
And
can
that-
check nasesquatini, sorry Ghost, nasesquatini badlala bonke. Last game or kunale game
Yeah,
badlala
yeah,
bonke,
yeah,
ngithola.
sure,
It's nice to see
sure.
them. Shu nasesquatini bangaqhubeka nje ngale nto.
Sure. That relationship is important.
Yeah, and that's a very good point in Ntwana was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because Podlela Mfethu brings a lot of experience in Mfethu.
Yeah,
And you
yeah,
know
yeah,
his
yeah,
calmness. He's a good defender all round.
All
nje,
round,
and so-
yeah.
So I think till Billy and I can rely on him or what's again for some leadership. Sometimes he's there, he's the captain, but you know maybe sometimes he doesn't even know what to do in some instances. So sometimes anale mtsotswana le Podlela mo pela khona umtataisa mnate wa bona. I'm guy that guidance and mentorship, and he's gonna be superb at all that lonkal bottle banta for from Swiss.
Nah.
Yeah,
And I think the relationship, in fact, relationship is very important.
Sure.
To Antola, like once you know, like who you playing with, his strengths, his weaknesses, Antola, like
Sure.
you know, okay, now is the right time to give him the ball. Now he doesn't really want the ball. This is what I need to do. It's very, very important. Antola.
yeah,
It's just unfortunate that he hasn't been playing. Obviously, the injury and there. But let's squad rotation.
sure.
Like overall, in fact, these defenders must have relationships.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
overall, it's
7.
7. Yeah, I think he was the best defender amongst the back four. For me,
Aye,
For
mina,
me, it
for
was
me, no, it was
Podlela.
Podlela.
I'm fan for me, it was Podlela.
Aye, for me it was Podlela.
Podlela lad.
yeah, Podlela, he had a good game, then I swear. And then moving on to Podlela, ne?
10. Yeah, I'm justifying what I just said goes to 10. Why? Usikane element yokuthi makwamacross umbheke ubhodlela yazo yakuphi yakulast pole. Every time uhlala kulast pole. I-element nje kufanele ayilungise ukubuyisa amabhola. Because I think uthola amabhola ayi-3 la kulast pole.
Sure.
Uyangithola. And I think i-position egrand akasithola kuyo le fanele athole indlela yokubuyisa amabhola ukuthi isidle. But I think like ama-jewels akawatholayo the guy akasabi nokungena kuma-challenges.
Yeah.
The guy is a professional. The guy is our captain.
Yeah.
Bayikho enye futhi.
Sure.
Understand. I think Bodlela played so well and they like njengoba sekabuyile ntanga like it's nice to see him. Siyamkhumbula uSiyama, ngiyamkhumbula uPepe, ngiyamkhumbula uNda. But like what's nice and what we have received kule Pirate team, iplay elingenile ntanga this guy everything.
Yeah.
Angithola they play for the badge. So uBodlela 10 da.
10.
10.
Yeah. Thoughts on the 10 Ghost?
Yeah, I think maybe it's a bit too high 10 but for me Podlela had a fantastic game.
He had a good game.
He had a very good game. If it's as I said earlier, or if it's
Hey, there's sorry to interrupt you there. There's this chance, yeah. I think it was beginning of the first half. A striker away spins off him. Podlela should have done better. Kona like it was just my second half. I think it was a chance as well. That Ipolo it's bouncing. He's shying a kanda. Podlela is behind him. He's spinning him, yeah, I spin him. If it I shy, I think he phezulu, so he should have done better on that one as well.
Yeah, ngikhumbula grand but very I think you can have that in the budget man. Tala ngadlala iPodlela.
Yeah.
But overall for me great performance. Rating I would have given him an 8.
Yeah. I agree with the 8. And then moving on to Oma Talent Alpha, Talent Mbata.
10 dang. Sila. Yangithola sila. Like the control intanga. Yangithola like you missing uSiyama ngamapass but I was there. Game but angeke washaya njengoSiyama but uyawashaya ngendlela.
Sure.
But Mfethu was controlling the game and him and Masinde and Mbule bayakhona ukutholana ntanga and that's what is nice. Yangithola Mbatha was playing so well yesterday. Misida.
Yeah.
Sila.
Mina, I won't lie, man. Mascala, like, we played some few loose touches,
Yeah.
passes. And like, Ash, what's happening to Mbata? Until like, he needs to come back. But gradually, if it's gradually, he started to control the game.
Yeah.
I think it was a beautiful performance. In fact, then you mentioned Lama pass. In fact, they're very important.
Yeah.
That guy is able to, like, if to observe the game and know it's okay. Now I need to change it to the side. Now I need to change it to the side. And he has that thing in his locker as well, long range. Yeah, I mean, if you don't shoot, you won't score. He tried, although it was team efforts, but
Yeah.
obviously, nah, it's match fitness. I think
Yeah.
with time, as we know what he's capable of.
Yeah.
I think he had a good game as well. In fact, maybe an 8 for me or a 9. Cool. What do you think of Mbata's performance?
Talent in fit, talent in fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never disappoint. Oh, and so he had a great game. Yeah, I would say an 8 for me would be more of a fair rating for him.
Yeah.
But Mvetu, that guy is an all rounder. He gives you everything.
I feel like he's everything.
He gives you everything.
And he's strong as well.
Everything.
He gives you everything. Maybe he'll fit yeah, like he needs to get space there in that middle of the park. Then Mbata will be rotated again and then there. Just that Lena, as we said last time, Lena is injury prone.
Sure.
Sometimes Lena is good as well to not give him a lot of
minutes.
games. Yeah, until just take him out to protect him.
Sure.
Because fragile now and then moving on to Nomtajela and
Pause.
Yeah.
Shall we that to the world?
yeah.
The boy is going to go places ntanga, I'm telling you. Yabona bombatha njengoba sibapraise kanjani. They are le ntwana le ayamprotect number 6 wakhe. And
Yeah,
then you must know ukuthi Nomtajela is going to uyabonakala egameni ukuthi there is this guy.
Yeah.
Uzombona when going backwards, uzombona when going forward.
Yeah.
I think like intanga when the guy has to umaka kahle, when the guy has to play udlala kahle, and I think you understand ama number 6 akhe every time adlala ngawo. I think first half yengichaze kakhulu those small touches Miss Kayana wona was always involved intanga. I mean ntanga uma sindi personally ngiyamthanda ntanga uyangithola and they like ngiyajabula ukuthi lo kadlala kanje like mfethu because like the player kaMasindi like is growing. That guy is a professional now. Akusasolo yaMasindi lo yami utshe ukuthi yamazi. Now you see a professional player, a player ukuthi bambizile like esquadini is not a fluke.
Yeah.
He deserves it because that guy works ntanga, that guy runs ntanga. I mean ntanga uyabona uTito make ngekho kukhona uMasindi.
Yeah.
Ngiyazi ukuthi uMasindi uzozama ukuyivala lama kilometers akaTito. Uyangithola, just mind you ke if kunoTito noMasindi ama kilometers azovalwa la.
Yeah.
I think he plays so well. Ngizomguy 8. Why am guy 8? He was making a lot of fouls noma uRevme kangawajudge uyangithola. He was late. But like for the effort which he was giving, I think he played so well.
Yeah, I think he had a decent game for me, like you uqale grand as you said, but second half you could see he was more on the defensive side of things,
That's why bamdonsile.
Yeah. I think maybe he was fatigued, because as you said, again, he covers a lot of ground, So, what do you think of the rating, Coast? Amasindi?
No, I think an 8 in fit is very fair. In fit, that boy covers a lot of ground.
Yeah.
As Mr. Mlambo said, in fit, the kilometers. And Ushebo in fit, he's all over the field. In fit, he's all over that midfield. In fit, so I love him for the effort more than anything.
Yeah. And then moving on to Sipho Ngudi.
I bet the diamond come in small packages. Maga, that is not a small package yet. It's a diamond. Let him cook. Umuntu othena njengale yangwenya. I'm still going to say that now. Ubone umfuke ngaphasa umbuthuma ngechipo ngokulupha ibhola naye thina.
I won't be left here.
Yangithola, he did it so nice. That I think yesterday as a number 10 role he was not marvelous, yangithola, but I think he was better based on their game there. Le Ahos.
Yeah,
I think like
yeah.
ngithola especially first half. I
Sure.
think thina dlale kakhulu first half compared
Sure.
to second half. Dangayo, the guy was all over. Ngithola as much as the space mesivalekile, check the 1-2s which we were trying to make.
Yeah.
Ngithola ukuthi ashaye egrawundini as much as mengithe aphase uVan Rooyen there. But I think nokushaya ndanga ngithola it shows ukuthi this player is having confidence. Ngithola. Ay but mina ndanga umbude mfethu, umbude boss mfethu.
Yeah.
Master Chef.
And MasterChef undanga obviously MasterChef is a baller fit. So like we know ukuthi MasterChef is a baller. But I think in this game he needs to introduce like numbers and so like especially if you are interested in that position in number 10, that creative role so at least if you don't score so shama assist and of which I think that's what he's trying to do because Umpega is not one who goes for safe passes all the time so he wants to penetrate the lines so
And usitholile ndanga uyipenetrated undaba kunale window le akamphahlazele lona kabuhlungu kabi. That's why ngithi undaba kalungise like cross mikazama mfethu to go to the side uyangithola.
Yeah.
Mina I'll say this even now, numbers kill the game. Mina that's how mina I'll say this angeke ngiyishintshe le. I think like the guy like has been unfortunate ngithola ngokuproduce ama number in terms of scoring, in terms of giving assists, but I think like so far for Pirates he has been playing so well and I think izolo udlale kahle kakhulu but anganyusa kancane but ngizomgaya 7.
yeah I think 7 is fair Ntanga, but Ntanga, you must give assists and give goals if it so you can't say that will kill his game if it so like you're trying to improve him as a player to say if it
I agree but like sometimes masizohlale sibheka ama number ngeke sibheke the importance of that player uyangithola ukuthi you must give us numbers. Ama number not fair. Sometimes you're unfortunate, Ndang. This is football. Sometimes you're unfortunate. Like the guy has been playing so well, but he has been unfortunate. Vela kana manamba.
Yeah.
But he has been playing so well.
yeah I think even nalento ukuthi like is in and out of the team now
Yeah.
impact but I think now coach I think is interesting him ngale 10
Ngambeka
position
ngaphandle ku final yamazi coach.
ngithola into nje squad rotation naso danga
Uzosishaya ku final.
we need that squad rotation but sometimes in fact this stop and goes impact ama player ngithola into nje and you know like ama team wase Orkanti as much as you can say numbers kill the game but those are the things that they look at ngithola numbers ngithola if you are playing a creative role you must
Yeah, I agree with you.
what do you think of numbers killing the game?
No, I'm laughing because you gentlemen are having this same argument for the second time.
It's not argument. You know,
Same point.
I was just stating my facts.
Same facts. And then wakasha effect nyalaga. Now mosha effect nyalaga. The same facts from last time.
Yeah.
But for me, chance numbers are there for a reason. For me, it's output at the end. Yeah, there's a reason why Bawa check how many goals do you have? How many assists do you have?
So I'm a defender. What do they check for them before go back?
My attributes. Angithi manje when you are a forward player.
Ngiyakuthola like what attributes ukuthi basha ama tackles angakanani.
Ama jewels ngiyangithola.
Ama clean sheet.
Ama clean sheets, ama 1-on-1.
Yeah.
I understand.
Well, our defense has been getting a lot of flowers. Ama clean sheet lawa so tholile lawa.
Yeah. Sure.
Sipucha ini equally
as well, yeah. Not true.
Yeah. So moving on down to Moremi on the left.
He was my man of the match with no fear of favor.
Yeah.
Akakora amagoli abane ayimako uyambona uma eliphethe ibhola lo muntu lo angathi yini Springbok.
Yeah.
Ayibizwe umuntu uyagijima sibale. That guy uyagijima and there's a reason why coach AP yena ahlala amfakile egroundini.
Sure.
Usise finalini manje on the final squad. That means is a like you play a big games and you know when you can do things in big games it tells a lot about you.
Yeah.
Even in small games the guy shows up but I think yesterday like he wanted to go to the final. And then the numbers they are insane.
Scary, ne?
They are insane. They are scary because from Amazulu, we got 7 goals. Now we got 8 goals go Pirates.
In
Like,
fewer
okay, to feel.
games, yeah,
And he's
yeah.
playing so well. I mean, that's what I like. I want to see numbers, then you play so well. Don't give numbers, then you play into yakho number ngabaleka noma kunini ngiyangithona. But I think Mremi Ntanga, I mean, he was my man of the match yesterday.
Yeah,
Ngiyamguide 10 naye. Egamini yakhe nje angakhulisa the element yokuthi as much as ashaya akazama ukwayisa on target.
Ne?
Yeah.
Beautiful goal as well, Ntanga.
Beautiful
Like that goal mfethu, yo.
Phela omunye umuntu bekazokhosa la.
Yes, and then that first touch, Ntanga, you must have the presence of mind ukuthi mfethu mayiceda ukubounce at you. Yangithola even mfethu angayihiranga ayeke ibounce futhi bekuzoba i-cross, yangithola. Beautiful mfethu. Yeah. What do you think of Tshepang Moremi?
I think he's our top goal scorer now, ne? This season.
Yeah,
No,
easily.
8 goals.
I am fit. This boy is marvelous in fit. He's too good in fit. And Oshebe the goal that Shaya in fit from the left. That's unusual in fit. Usually what's about kebo right, they badlalang kamo left, they bakona mo shot goal. But yeah, naka left eye in fit. We Kenya short in fit. We Kenya power.
Technique.
So yeah, technique. Yeah, I'm not in fit, and I think he's still gonna give us a lot of goals. One so because in that situation, as you're saying, or he can cross, or another player can look for a cross.
Yeah.
Or no Shebile target.
Shebile target.
Right.
And I
I'm
think
going for the
Ntwana,
man.
like his pace, Ntwana, like his pace works for him.
Springbok.
Yo, his pace works for him, fit. And I think Lea police if it understand that. You see that assist in fit.
Sure.
Understand that if it immediately your police are Tianaga Polele Sheva Kuam fit.
What's
I was on the bike in fit. One told like it and a beautiful pass by a police in fit. That in fit is not an easy pass because one of we charge one technique Spanish more. For him, right to rule one to like do level straight perfect in fit. Mfana Mremi mfethu yo Mremi Ntwana la mfana we got ourselves a player so I call him a one-on-one demon so like as he very defend he doesn't want to turn back or more in a straight so he tries to try something one so numbers as well one so like gives you numbers if it I think so far this season mfana he's been our best player mfana so far
True.
Yeah, that's like
think
it
about
is the top goal scorer.
Yeah,
but now he's the contender.
it's top there ne
And also amabhokobhoko Springbok angithi have been playing.
yeah
If bayafuna umuntu ozogijima bangambiza sometimes.
Azobasiza.
Azobakayiline abuya.
But yo, mad pace, if it's moving on to Apolipoli.
Khohlwa ayiphoza.
My man
Yeah,
of the
it was.
match.
Yeah, mine too, fam.
I mean, it was Moremi, but le ayiphoza. And that guy ngathi akusiwina. Ngathi inverted wing. Urile nyana so. So it is ezimnandi. You can play him at 10 because like he's always everywhere and he's comfortable on the ball. Ngala mabatha wakhe. Beautiful pass Ntanga to Moremi and like bona boy two they understand each other. Check ama assist abagayane on. And most of the time wapolisi uyokhaya Moremi.
Yeah.
Yangithola uyambona sho ukuthi make 10 I would say where's Moremi so Moremi pass Moremi the ball. I think he played so well. Naye Ntanga udlale kahle kakhulu angizomgaya 10.
In 10, eh?
Yeah.
I like this performance. In fact, like Puli, remember I used to be frustrated with Puli. He always wants to take an extra touch. I think now I'm starting to realize why I have to take extra touch. In fact, he can't take the ball off his feet. That guy, he's strong. Like for his body, he's strong. And there was this moment where the defender was trying to shovel him. As a moment, I tell you, it was then in danger. The referee charged the foul to us, and then I want to intimidate. Like that's a big player's mentality. You can see he has plenty of experience. He just knows I'm better than this guy. So I don't even argue with him.
Sure, and he's not even gonna fall into the tactics to argue
again. That guy at that time, he's bruised in the he doesn't care. And so give me the ball. Until
I'll dribble him again.
I'll do it again. Until I bought up even Murevi with the competing.
Sure.
Being one of our best players this season.
And there are new players, cabang.
I
New
mean, I say
players, if it.
I call him our Messi, in fact.
Ah,
Our police
no,
our
no,
Messi.
no, no.
And most people are saying
And I
that.
wanted to say that as well. In fact, like in that, I gives you Messi vibes. If it.
He's too good.
But it's too good. If it like the way he just does it, and if you think Gucci, because naturally he's a left wing. Young so initially, remember when he was playing with Rayleigh, when he went that side, he wasn't as good. Young so and I was thinking to myself, Gucci, when I have a problem.
I think
with
mix up car.
two players. Young Tolly,
Think
yeah,
it's
it's exactly that. And when you look at him now, you think Uti, that right wing is his best possession. Now he's saving his best games that side. If it, I like, and even that assist. If it, I think it takes.
Beautiful one.
I'm funny. It's a 10 for me as well.
10 out of 10,
10
definitely.
out of 10. If it, that assist, if it, yo, beautiful. If it.
Beautiful pass.
Beautiful pass, if it, young girl. And then moving on to Mutuma.
I think uMbuthuma Ndanga ube wangena egamini ebuhlungu for istrike. Izinto ezibhoka ukuba istrike emagamini aso.
Yeah.
Because lapho la mina ngafiki phambili kakhulu.
Yeah,
Yes, the mechanism is khona izinto but iball especially first half mina ngafiki ngithona. But my umdinga mekazi avela. That's what is nice, but he was not too much involved in the game.
In the game, yeah.
But uMbuthuma is a great striker. For us to have him there, it's good because we are gonna no call them up all our to the side. There was that situation again, but he was just decent. I think I'll just say average. Young son. Let me just give him a benefit of it. I'll say decent because wazama like for effort. I'll give him a 6.
Yeah, and a 5-6. I think it was an average performance for me as well. And I like the fact that it's fine. I don't want him to be much involved in the game. He must just stick there, young so like wait for that chance. Like if you have a lot of ball players, they must do the work. Then by let it to him on a silver platter, young so like, but I don't think yesterday was one of his best games. I think it was just an average performance. Ghost, what do you think of Mutuma?
Yeah, no, definitely. I think it wasn't the best game for Butuma. But yeah, man, nothing. It's not like he did anything bad or he was bad. No, it was just
The game.
Yeah, the game didn't allow him a lot of chances like we would have loved.
Yeah.
But we love Mbutuma, boy. We know you're gonna come back the next game and give us more goals.
Yeah, and hopefully Coach Ndana gives him a run of games.
Yeah.
For him to get his form, because it's very difficult for you to start and immediately give praises and goals and what.
Ngicabanga how many goals umjita? 5.
Yeah.
Former isikhathi esincane
Isikhathi
akazidlalile.
esincane, sure. And I think this was his like second start or third start. So like, he hasn't been playing much. So I think uzobuya already. Umbutu.
No, definitely.
Yeah, and then Rele Mufuki Nkosti, he was our first sub coming in for
Ngenene libitso.
Usiphombule Yangeneno Libit.
Yeah. Alright, Omar Raifetsa, to Coco Melon, President Yama 2000. I love really.
I love really
That was comfortable on the ball. So I wanna just give really the ball. Enjoying himself. I loved him. I loved really. Nothing to complain about from my boy. I would give him an 8 in J for being really
for that short game, Yeah, really, I think he had a decent performance as well.
Yeah, he had a decent one, but I'll give him a 6, man. The boy can go.
Yeah.
But I don't think there was something marvelous against but it was decent.
Yeah.
Because nalapha uyathenga khona aqeda ungena uyangithola la sala, but I think he played so well. It was decent. I'll give him a 6. Nothing much to add. But Coco yethu.
Cocomelon. And I'm a lean more towards a 6. But in fact, we love really. In fact, you know what in fact we like. Once he's given, obviously he comes from an injury.
Yeah.
So
Sure.
like he's gone as
He's in
Sanzana, he hasn't even had a start.
Yeah.
We're only seeing him second half. Do you think he deserves a shout for the final? Yeah. starting yeah.
It's real.
It's really
How can you say no?
You won't be surprised.
angithola
You
vida
can find space for real.
ntwana imagine if
Where?
eh
You can even slot him on that 10.
on that 10 yeah
Then you have a police, you have Mrem.
yeah because
And then
ntwana
you have
Mremi
Mbatha,
at
you
this
have
time is
Nemtajela.
undroppable
I mean,
police is
A police,
undroppable
yeah.
second half noma ngaqala ngotita angazwa angazi yeah on the final I think notito bafethu akangeni kakhulu as he deserves to.
Yeah,
and
no, that's
then
true.
he had decent numbers the time we were starting the season
Yeah,
I think it's too much quality too much quality I
And
think
then
if
uyashintsha
it's a
ucoach
blessing
wethu yashintsha coach wethu
if it those are it's a blessing and a curse Mr. Mlambo because if it these players if it all of them deserve to play let's be
Exactly.
honest
Yeah,
one so
yeah.
like, and imagine now with guys coming in from injury now one so like, we'll be flooded there one so like, some of them we won't even be seeing them there on the bench I get some point you want to reach a stage where being on the you feel fortunate to just be on the bench
On the
one so
18,
like, because
sure.
when you look at the quality of it like in and around you I wanna
It's a lot.
quality one so like it I fana coach if it's hey good luck to him on managing these youngsters if it's and then moving on to Libito Ndanga ngene Rina
yeah nolibitso naye there was nothing marvelous ndanga but I think ungenile washaya ispan ngendlela kumele ashaye ngaso I think it was also decent naye hayi ithi ngamnqishi ithi imguy
6 ne
yeah
then I go your favorite player Libito you agree with Mr. Mlang
Kalibito. Yeah, I would say 6 is fair, but maybe even a 7 I would take. One. I think Libito fits with Libito, you know.
kumupha ngobulibitso
okay
Mara Fethu Amthi, it's like one of those talented players.
Yeah,
It's just joy to see him on the field. Before he even touches the ball, he's already on a 4. Touch him.
wena mrate
5.
mrate ngothando
emotional good moving on to Kwaiba Ndanga
Ngwai.
ukwayiba mina what I would like to say ne I see amabhakani decision making yakhe indlela angena ngayo yangithona has not been good but I would like to tell him ukuthi siyamthanda ndanga we love him a lot and I think uzogcina ithola iform yakhe he must just relax ndanga izoza lento le mfethu this is football work hard on himself izinto zizohlangana then I'll just go back to igame yangithona igame it was not good because like ngesikhathi lokadlala it was not good because the team is there that's why like sibona ngathi it's not good I think it's not too bad but the team is there then when you hear kuba ngathi you too bad yangithona that's why I'm saying he must just work on himself izinto zizohlangana ntanga relax asithele ngamanzi Uzoba right.
and I don't think it helps him for next minute he's playing as a 8 he's playing as a
no
right
coach
wing,
naye ngifila
yangithola.
ngathi
Nini ntwana he's playing yangithola he's a striker like ntwana
It's
na
not fair to
I
him.
don't personally I don't know Kwaiba wangithola ene I haven't watched I don't know what's his position
I
'cause
wanted to ask the same thing. What's his best position?
like and I think it's unfair on him if it
Coach, yeah, it's not
one
been
so
fair, yeah.
it's unfair because in fact we're gonna start being frustrated and you know our coach uzomfaka silidi ka-1-0 yangithola into enjalo
Sure.
and you know ukuthi those opportunists will start doing their own thing there sebafuna ukubhuka amaplayer nani yangithola I think coach must try and protect uKwayiba man yangithola
Yeah, no, definitely.
maybe may have a one-on-one conversation with Kwaiba where would you like to play yangithola mjele coach mina I'm number 9 yangithola into enjalo
But also, I think just for Kwaiba na mfethu, hey, uyabo kushubile lapha kuPagania. When you get a chance, mfethu, you must try by all means, mfethu, to raise up your hand. Uyabo. So yeah, just that was just another point to add.
yeah and there was that cross in front of young Rain
Boy, boy. Aish,
If you say
that's
to us ukuthi uyi-striker,
that's what raised the question for me. Ukuthi like, is this guy a striker or a midfielder? What's going on?
Mfethu la ntanga mela
La uyazilahlela,
uyazilahlela
mfethu,
mfethu
yeah.
angithola ngathi akanaplaka angithola just to throw himself
Ah,
there,
smart.
angithola. He gets a goal mfethu just like
It's
that
happy.
It's really confident.
uthole confidence
Get a goal, get
mfethu.
confidence.
Angithola into enjani. Come on,
Akasithembe.
Kwaiba, man. Come on,
Akasithembe,
Kwaiba.
akasithembe.
You know you
Kwai.
can come back. In fact.
We love you, dog.
We saw what happened to Muremi. I think you can do pretty much the same thing. You know, we signed you for a reason.
Yeah.
Obviously, there was something special about him for a scout to go for him.
That's far.
You said you gave him 5.
I'm Kaitrin, dangai.
3 wisdom.
Ningalalo. Babethu nifuna ngimuphi ingaki. Like ah, babethu nilakani.
Kosti, please be professional. So you can't be laughing at me.
Okay, Ghost. Jen, let's be fair.
Yeah.
Danga, let's be fair.
Let's be fair.
Skomota, yenza mistake. Somgen.
Yeah.
Ubani, I think that's why I told him. I said this. He must work on himself, young son. Ukubhakaniye and uyazi njengoba ushilo fans are going to be frustrated. It was not a good game then.
Yeah.
It was not a good game.
It's not-
And bad izinto ezinhle akazenzile bad izimba akazenzile. It's not like we're looking on the bad side. But like intanga like i3 mina iye ngiyibonile on that game.
Or don't you wanna go back to the coach and maybe minus a 1 for
Yeah, -2 from the coach.
-2, ne? Get it.
Simedele yena. Okay, ngizomupha 4 again. Not 5. High 5.
That was not average.
Yeah, it was not. It was not.
I want to take it back. It wasn't average, but it was just below average. Just below average. And then moving on to Dienoto.
Hoto. Hey, mbona
65
aqeda ukungena lapha
minutes.
yaseka lapha ngathi eboxing.
Yeah.
Le umuntu akafuna ukuguga yazi. I think na element yangithola like element yakhe ukudlala amabhola grand iyeshodayo.
Yeah.
Leyo ngeke siyibalekele, but I think he finds himself in good spaces. I think it was decent naye ngendlela angene ngayo angithola ngizomgaya 6 angeke ngimncishe.
Yeah. Dienoto. Mina, Dienoto mfana, he had a decent game, if it's angithola. Go stories in of Dienoto's cameo.
Yeah, I think it was a DN Auto performance, man. Yeah, give him a 5. Because that's,
Average, ne?
yeah,
I think he didn't have much to do with it as well, angithola.
yeah, and he got into good chances and he did his thing.
Yeah.
You know him.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I think I lean more towards a 5 as well for Dienoto. And I like the fact that coaching thing at least minutes because sometimes these players they relax.
Sure.
If you know when I have a bad game, but next week you'll be the first person on the starting lineup Saga coach so I become too comfortable.
Sure.
I think I like the introduction of Ndaba and Ndaba will pick up.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then moving on to Tansin came on for Nomtachiela 76 minutes.
There's this thing I've saw or seen. Coach uyabelieve kakhulu ku dancing.
Yeah.
I think that's what I see, and it's a good thing, because dancing it's our future in the country. I think he must continue doing that. Yeah, nothing marvelous from dancing now, nothing much to be done. I'll give him a 5.
Yeah, I agree with the 5 and I think it was an average performance. And then moving on to the referee of the day, Olani Kwinda.
I think the referee Meganati was biased. The referee was biased.
But we're not complaining, ref. Keep on keeping on there.
Yeah,
Carry on.
Kwinda.
But be fair, mina ngilapha I was biased in the young because like there are a lot of things hey make us judge like to our favor.
Yeah.
ngithola hayi ukuthi siwiniswe uye by the way
Yeah.
but like
He
mikasijajela
gave us 50-50s would go to us.
yeah noma cause umasindi mikashaya isicathulo angazijaji lezo zinto ngithola
Yeah.
I'll give him a phone that for that ngitshela iva
Ekajeshela ibhakani.
mina ngiyibhakaniya kodwa ngimele ngibe fair I'm gonna be fair
Hayi Ghost,
ngoba mikajajela ibhakaniya mele sithi 8 9 hayi mina yenza ispan
But it
sakhe
wasn't that bad. If it
Yeah,
it's
I think like mekanathi
And I think and I hate you saying ukuthi bekanathi intanga, but for me, as I said, mfana, angibonanga like as that he was biased. Yabo, I felt
Yeah.
like bekagrand nje, yabo.
angithi
We-
mikajajela thina
Yeah,
uzoyibona kanjani
maybe that's why.
Yeah.
But yeah, for me, I was looking at rating him Boma 7, 8. I wasn't looking at a 4.
I mean 4 bafethu
for me, I think Korebro was decent. It's not there for a 4. I don't think it deserves a 4.
Yeah.
And yeah, he gave us 50-50. And I think it is natural. In fact, when you play grounding and there's a crowd advantage. In danger.
Tough man.
Yeah, 50 chances you must give it to the guys who have the most 12 men.
Sure.
In danger. So yeah, I think I'd give him a 6. A decent performance. I am a fan if it is a 10. If it's sold out the key,
100.
sold out FC.
Sold out affair.
100 I think mara there's a reason why i-stadium se-Pirates lapha edlala khona sigcwala it's the
Yeah,
beautiful football they play
beautiful football.
angeke
man.
ne-groundini yobukela into engekho
Sure,
yanga
sure.
now uyazi masesigodini we become excited ukuthi we're going there we're going to see a beautiful thing yangithola it's like a theatre of dreams yangapha asishi Manchester United by the way mara sesikhuluma ngapha like you dream when you watching Orlando Pirates uyangikhumbula masaseyintwana mawubukela ama-super strikers the feeling you will get
Yeah,
I think this is the feeling we get nama-fans awayitholayo mawubukela i-Pirates so I think i-sold out intanga it's fair
It's fair, no?
yeah it's fair
100 to the fans of it. I'd love to go to Moses Mabhida of it, you know.
Eish,
Moses
Ntwana,
Mabhida
ne?
Ntwana. Like aesthetic wise, Ntwana, it looks like the ultimate event.
And I thought the final was gonna go to Moses Mapi.
They love it.
Yeah,
Eish,
me
boy.
too. Like I had that thing, like Moses Mabhida of it is there, let's be honest. Ghost. That's the ultimate in Ghana. That's the okay. FNB it's huge in terms of capacity and whatnot. But in terms of aesthetics, in fact, if you want to
Yeah.
see yourself in something, want to rise Moses Mapida and then
We must go see it live.
and then when are we going, gentlemen? We must go to Moses Mapida. Like we should have went to this game. And,
Yeah.
but yeah, we'll go next time. Ghost, how are you looking there, my man? I heard that someone predicted a correct score there somewhere there.
Ungathi someone
Somewhere in the crew.
Are we on the lock already?
We are there, G. We are there.
Okay, Mapagania. So, our log, Ufaya, uthole correct prediction bafethu ukuthi soshaya iqhwash 1-0. So sibuye nayo.
sisazuzu
Sisenkingeni.
Neyothi wanile yani itayino Orlando Pirates. You don't need to score a lot of goals to advance. This is not the league, chief.
Eish. Yabona leya goal yakankwankwayo emela ikore leya.
sikhulumele yazi wena uthe 2-0
So and then Ufaya uzothola 3 points ke Mapagania usuka ku 18 points uya ku 21 and then Unengo thola 1 point for the correct prediction ukuthi Pirates izowina then goes from 17 to 18 same no Ghost naye uzosuka from 13 to 14
ungishiya nga-3
ukushiya nga-3 ukhonti then wena ungishiya nga-4 so
wena ukushiya nga-7
isase tight right there. It's very tight.
Ghost is going to the relegation. We have to put Usandile there.
the points are ghosting
It's when he gets relegated. Who are we putting the Sandile?
yeah onobhikipa ntanga phela kube maybe uyayenza kakhulu emekanga muhle ghost
Eish, yeah, one yana win, Mr. Mlambo. Uyabona?
Awinanga mina.
It's all right. It's all right. I'll come back. I'll come back. I'll come back.
We'll come back. And then obviously we playing it at Chipa United
Next game.
next game. Even before we get to it, to predictions and Chipa United bottom of the lock. Playing home. On paper, it looks like a game that we should easily win, but obviously it's not.
Sidlala nabi second round.
It's not.
Lapha sibasha Trinidad mekuyini? Mekuyiphi? Mekuyi cup game. Sakhe
No.
sabasha Trinidad phela.
Yeah, I think we first round, so I think this is second round.
we second
Oh
round?
yeah. Away, ne?
Yeah, beslala nabo away.
Why is it second round first so?
I think angijabona ne Chiefs
Trying to
isidlala
push the
nayo
games.
kayi-2 next year. You notice that now last year's Chiefs isidlale nayo kayi-2 in the second half.
Why?
Hey, that's a good question, yes, in fact. Because some of the teams we haven't played them
Yeah.
even first. I think Kefuntana just messes things up. Untana fixture they must correlate in fact to
But why can't they just imitate Yako Orkant if it's a
Yeah,
problem for them to schedule it? Simple, just copy what those guys do.
But second
doing.
round is
Yeah.
umuntu one guy two.
Because it doesn't look professional for maybe a team having 7 games. Only 12 games.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like what is that? Untana?
And it happens every season. That's the problem.
It happens every season. No one is addressing it. KF, please do the right things there. Please do the right things. Ntanga, how do you think a coach should structure this one?
Entanga labaya noma singangena kanjani labaya noma singangena ama defender 11 kubuya bondabo baby labaya sebanqwaha but it's not realistic. I think Intanga I like to see a Tito back in fact. I mean seeing a Tito there and that time you saw anasikhathi sidlala nabo his press was so good. Maybe abomremi bangaphumula Ntanga for ama final yangithola.
Yeah.
Sibaphumuze mfethu maybe siqalise bona borile because they haven't been playing ukwayiba lo esikhala ngaye akamgaye no ukuthi akwayiba thatha ngena mabasa come back yangithola it's like we rotate mfethu we give amanye ama-chance feel la agcine kudala ukudlala. Okay, maybe we can't change the whole team mara 5 or 6 yangithola sibafake la then we get to see maybe enda back emuva maybe noSibisi Phumuza Mbokazi no Siema then Van Rooyen and Ndaba they've been playing so well maybe Pepe or Ndada yangithola izinto ezinjalo.
Yeah.
That's how I would like to
And
see
remember, I told you, there'll come games where these players come in. I think these are the type of games. I think for me, I think he must start strong. Maybe get 2 early goals and then second half give him fit to Radio Mani, Abo Kwaiba, Abo. You know these players that have
Bosibili abasadlala
Bosibili, give those players minutes. That's how I'd like to see it. Ghost, you can move on to our predictions.
Yeah. Singa predict amadoda. Sibambi cheaper. Singifaka u-3-0 ke mina.
izokubulala ufaya.
Mina ngithi umgayi intambo mfethu.
Mara usho kanja, mawena umgayile intambo.
Umgayile mfethu akankayanga
I said, what do you think of cheaper?
You say the score prediction.
Uyafuna ukuthi 3-0. Mfethu manje wayecomplain.
I think it's too. You must end that position. You just go. 4-0 to Orlando Pirates.
Mr. Mlam.
Yeah, go with 3-0.
3-0.
Yeah.
Yayibona i-gravy train mfana.
Ngiyibona.
Ya ungavaya nalo muntu lo.
Hayi mina ngihamba nento engiyibonayo, angihambi nomuntu. ngihamba
Lo
ngedwa.
muntu yazi ukuthi
Ivision
akaboni.
iyayibona. Mr.
Ngiyayibona mina ngizibonela ivision. Naye manje ngithe trainila ngithi namanje ngiyaqhubeka trainila.
Kanjalo kanjalo.
Azothi trinile up until yenzakala.
Hayi mangiyibona phela kuya ngegame. Hayi ukuthi phela uthi trainila phansi ubona igame ukuthi igame elinjani.
Igame ye-3-0.
Game ye-3.
Any obvious. Mina ngazi ukuthi ufa uyibona kanjani.
Indaba laba abawiki labaya bangayishaya ne4 ne5
I was
labaya.
checking the records.
Next.
Labaya abawiki.
This season
Asimoshi ngamagoli thina ukakasibheki kahle. 3 grand.
Awuthi ngiyishinte ngibe interesting. Am I allowed?
Yeah.
Hayi change.
Hayi 5-0.
Udlala ama-games.
Udlala
ama-games.
Yeah, that's play.
Uzomkhumbula lo 3 wena.
Ngimkhumulile phela nginazo zami ku-accommodate mfethu akumele kube bad manje wena le kude let's accommodate.
Hey, it's a 4-0 all day long.
Aye,
for
5.
you, Fitz. I think we can close the show, Fitz. Anything, gentlemen. Mr. Mlambo.
Ukuthi kumnandi kuFavi Pirates mfethu. To support Orlando Pirates, it's nice mfethu. It's nice. It's so good. Since thina siqala iPFTV mabhakane sikhala kayingakhi la ekhaya. That's my question. That's my question.
You people, Fitz. You call the people for a reason, Fitz. Mapagania, thanks for the love of it too. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Post.
Bopa pagania bopa. Bopa.